Hello, hello. Today I have come up with some important information about science. Today I'm going to discuss about the universe. It is the 12th chapter of grade 10 and SE science. Now let us discuss about this. It's chapter 12, working hour 5, mark weightage 3 plus minus 2. Learning outcomes. These are the learning outcomes. Lesson notes. Universe. Universe is a huge space which contains everything that exists. It contains celestial bodies like planets, stars, comets, satellites, meteors. The collective name of all celestial bodies is called universe. Galaxy is a collection of billions of stars forming a cluster. Our solar system lies in Milky Way galaxy. Gravitational force. The mutual force attraction between two bodies of the universe is called gravitational force. Gravitational force is responsible for the position, rotation, revolution of different celestial bodies in the universe. The position, rotation, revolution of the moon, the earth and the sun, and the existence of solar system are all due to gravitational force between them. Gravitational force is responsible for the existence of the universe. Importance of gravitational force in the universe. Origin of new stars and planets. Orbital motion of planets and satellites. Production of energy in the core of the stars. Change in form of celestial bodies. Dying process of stars. Size, maintaining of stars, expanding of universe. Cosmology, the study of the origin, development and future of the universe is called cosmology. Astrophysics is a branch of science that deals with the physical properties of celestial bodies and physical phenomena occurring in the universe. Big Bang theory. This is the most reliable theory about the origin of the universe. According to this theory, the universe is believed to originate from the huge explosion of single atom energy ball. Before the explosion, the four fundamental forces of the universe, namely gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force, are considered to have unified as a single force. Due to this, the universe is considered to be in a very compressed and energetic state in the size of single atom. The excessive force and pressure in the small atom caused a huge explosion of atom forming all celestial bodies of the universe. Hubble study. Hubble discovered that every galaxy is moving from other galaxy. Found the relationship between velocity of constellation and their distance. Hubble law states the velocity by which galaxies are moving away from each other is direct proportional distance between them. Mathematically, B equal to hd, where B is velocity with which galaxies are moving away from each other. The distance between galaxies is Hubble constant 73 km per second per megaparsec. From Hubble's equation B equal to hd, it can be calculated the farther galaxies are, the faster they are separating from each other. Future of the universe. As the galaxies move away from each other, their velocity are increasing, but due to gravitational force between them, their velocity are decreasing at the same time as the distance between bodies increase. The effect of gravity will decrease. Now a situation may come whether the effect of gravity will be zero first or the velocity of moving galaxy will be zero first, and this determines the future of the universe. Critical density. Critical density, every density of the universe which is required to stop the expanding universe. Based on the critical density, future universe will be as follows. Open universe. If the effect of gravity becomes zero before the velocity of receding celestial bodies, then they will continue to move away from each other forever, and the size of the universe will continue to increase. This is called open universe. In other words, if the average density of the universe is less than the critical density, then the Gravity cannot hold the expanding process and the universe continue to expand. This is called open universe. Finally, all celestial bodies in the universe exhaust their energy and the universe will cool down, ending in the big chill. Closed universe. If the velocity of receding celestial bodies becomes zero before the effect of gravity, that means if the average density of the universe is greater than the critical density, gravity will be so strong enough to stop its expansion and all celestial body will start to come closer and the universe will come to a single point. Such universe is called closed universe. The process by which vast universe comprising of unlimited mass and energy will shrink at a point and collapse is called the Big Crunch. If the Big Crunch takes place, the universe formed by the explosion of a single point will end up at a single point and explode again to form a new universe. It means the age of universe is fixed and it has also life cycle like star. For the continuation of the life cycle of the universe, Big Bang and Big Crunch must occur turn by turn. Flat universe. If the effect of gravity and velocity of celestial become zero at the same time, that means that means if the average density of the universe is equal to critical, the expansion universe will stop and the universe remains stable. Such universe is called flat universe. Flat universe. Here is the picture of open universe, flat universe and this closed universe. Multiple choice question 1 marks. Section A. Section A. Select the best alternative for the following questions. What is the collective name of all celestial bodies? Universe. Which of the following force is responsible for the position of celestial in the universe? Gravitational force. What is the study of entire universe called? Cosmology. What is the study of physics of the universe called? Astrophysics. Question number 5. Which of the following is the most reliable theory about the origin of universe? Obviously, Big Bang theory. How did universe evolve according to Big Bang theory? By the explosion of singularity. Which of the following is true about Hubble's theory? Farther the galaxies are, faster they are separating. Which law is in a B equal to HD? Hubble's law. Which of the following is the condition for formation of open universe? Average density universe is less than critical density. Question number 10. Under what condition flat universe is hypothesized? Average density of universe is equal to critical density. Under what condition closed universe is hypothesized? Average density of universe is greater than critical density. Which of the following list of Big Crunch closed universe? Who is the profounder of Big Bang theory? Judge Lemaitre. Question number 15. What is the approximate diameter of Milky Way galaxy? 1 lakh light years. What is the approximate distance of our solar system from center of Milky Way galaxy? 30,000 light years. What is the estimated number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy? 150 crore. What is the value of 1 light year? 9.4 10 to the power 12 km. Which of the following represents value of our constant? 73 km per second per megapixel. What is the distance between two galaxies and the velocity with which directly proportional? A statement and 2 arguments are given below. The process by which vast universe comprising unlimited mass and energy will shrink at a point and collapse is called Big Crunch. Argument: if the average density of the universe is less than the critical density, Big Crunch occurs. If the average density of is more than Big Crunch occurs. Statement and argument 2 are correct. Argument 1 is incorrect. Because the average density is less than critical density, the average density of the universe is more than the critical density, Big Crunch occurs. This is correct. Every less than Big Crunch does not occur, it will expand. Which of the following law describe the redshift Hubble's law? Section B. Section B, very short question, is carrying 1 marks. What is universe? Universe is contains everything that exists. What is light year? Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. What is the relation between parsec and light year? 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. Define cosmology. The study of origin, development, future of universe is called cosmology. Define astrophysics. Physics. Define Big Bang. The huge explosion of singularity, single atom to form a universe is called Big Bang. What is Big Crunch? The process by which vast universe comprising unlimited mass energy will shrink at a point and collapse is called Big Crunch. Define critical density. Critical average density of the universe which is required to store the expanding universe. What is open universe? When the average density of the universe is less than the critical density of open universe. What is collision? The universe form when the average density of the universe is more than the critical density. What is flat universe? The universe formed when the average density of the universe is equal to the critical density is called flat universe. Which force is responsible for the existing positions of all celestial bodies? Gravitational force. What is the conclusion of Hubble study? Farther galaxies are faster, they are separating from each other, which is the most popular theory about the origin of the universe. Big Bang theory. Stuart Hubble's it states that velocity by which the galaxies are moving from each other is directly proportional to the distance between them. What is the mathematical form of Hubble law? Mathematical form of Hubble law is P equal to HD, where symbols have their usual meaning. What is redshift? The light reaching the Earth from the distant galaxy is found to be shifted towards the red end of the visible spectrum, and it's called redshift. Light reaching the Earth from the distant galaxy is found to be shifted towards the red end of the visible spectrum, and it's called redshift. What is the value of Hubble constant? 73 km per second per megapascal. The 73 max is, what does it mean? It means if any two galaxies are at distance 1 megaparsec, they are separating each other from very 73 km per second. What will be future of the universe if the triangle on the surface has angles whose sum is less than 180? Open universe. What will be the if the triangle on the surface has angles whose sum is more than 180? Closed universe. Exactly, the sum. What will be the sum of angles? Flat universe is 180 degree. Name the scientist who proposed theory of relativity. Albert Einstein. Mention an evidence which supports that universe is expanding. Redshift is an evidence. Section C. Short question is carrying 2 marks. What is the role of gravity during nuclear fusion in a star? The force of nuclear fusion in the core of the star pushes outward, it is balanced by the gravity field of the star, which pulls inward. This maintains the size of the stars. Balanced by the gravity. Write the role of gravity in the death of the star. The death of the star begins with the reduction in the rate of nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion reaction in the core of the star, so the gravity will be dominant. That causes contraction of core of the stars, which finally leads to death of the stars. Give reason. Big Bang, Big Crunch must occur side by side to continue the life cycle of universe. The universe is formed by the huge explosion of singularity according to the Big Bang theory, and might turn into point mass again by a process of Big Crunch. Thus, Big Bang, Big Crunch must occur side by side to continue the life cycle of the universe. The separating speed increase journey increase distance between celestial bodies because separating speed is directly proportional to the distance between celestial bodies, also be equal to hd. Celestial body continue to remain in their own place. Celestial body continue to remain in their own place because of the gravitational pull exists between them. Black holes and galaxies may adjust on point in the future. If the average density of the universe is more than the critical average density, critical density gravity will be so strong enough to stop its expansion, and all celestial bodies will start to come closer, and universe will come to a single point. Measures on a point come to a single point. Galaxies and black holes remain as they are forever. If the average density is equal to the critical density, the expansion of the universe will stop, and the universe, including the galaxies and the black holes, remain as they are forever. Galaxy, every year the distance between planets and sun increases by few centimeters. Every year the distance between the planets and the sun increases by a few centimeters because the universe is continuously expanding as shown by the redshift. Gravitation is must for origin and death of the star. Stars are born by the compression of gas dust, on which vital role in dying of the star. Outer shell will be lost and inner core contract independently under the action of gravity to accommodate it. So gravitation, origin and death of the stars. What are the four fundamental forces of nature? The fundamental gravitation is strong nuclear force and weakness distance between open universe. It is formed when the average density of the universe is less than critical. It is formed when the effect of gravity becomes zero before the velocity of receding celestial body. The velocity of receding body before the effect of gravity. Open universe and flat universe. It is formed when the average density of the universe is less than critical density. Is formed when the effect of gravity becomes zero before the velocity of receding celestial body. The effect of gravity and becomes zero simultaneously. Closed universe and flat universe. So difference is in the same way. Write the importance of gravity for the existing position of celestial bodies in the universe. There is great importance of gravity in the universe. It is responsible for the position, rotation, revolution of all different celestial bodies in the position, action, solar system, or activity relation between them. How does Hubble study help to confirm Big Bang theory? Hubble's study confirmed that the galaxies in the universe are moving from each other. From this, it can be supposed that they were very close to each other in the past, which in turn means they were all at the same point of long time ago. That means all matters were concentrated from which present universe was originated. So we can say that our study supports the Big Bang theory. Right inside about Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory, initially the whole universe was in the form of highly energetic and compressing air, and the pressure in the to cause a huge explosion, atom forming a celestial body. Give a logic that universe, we know that vertically scatter and move away from each other in the explosion of an explosive in the same way, all from each other after the explosion of single and therefore size universe is also increasing. The expansion universe is slow but continuous. Section D. Long question, each carrying 4 marks. Discuss in brief about the future of the universe. The future universe is described in terms of average density and critical density of the universe. If the average density is less than the critical density, then the gravity cannot hold the expanding process universe continuity. This is called open universe. If the average density of the universe is greater than the critical density, gravity will be strong enough to stop its expansion. All celestial body will start to come closer and the universe will come to soon. This is called closed universe. If the average density universe is equal to greater than the expansion, universe will stop and the universe remains stable. Such universe is called. The light reaching the earth from the distant galaxies is found to be shifted towards the red end of the visible spectrum and is called redshift or Doppler shift. Scientists can see the universe expanding on the basis of redshift. Redshifts occur when the wavelength of light is stretched due to receding away source of the light and longer wavelength falling towards the red end of the spectrum. This means the galaxies are moving away and hence the universe is expanding. Discuss in brief origin on the Big Bang theory. This Big Bang theory we discussed earlier. Importance of gravitational force in the universe. This also we explained. Discussions and some points of importance of gravitational force. It plays role in origin of new star, orbital motion of planets. It plays roles in the production of energy in the core of the star, play role in the change in the form of celestial bodies, dying process of stars, size maintaining stars, expansion universe. What is Hubble constant? Right, its significance. Orbital galaxy has velocity of this, calculate the distance. The personal constant is introduced in Hubble B equal to H is termed as Hubble constant, which signifies it 1 megaparsec. They are separating with the velocity of this solution. This velocity, Hubble constant distance, but using formula we can find distance in megaparsec. Study what does R represent, in which part P is different from R. R represents open universe, P is different from R, as R is open in form when the average density universe is less than, whereas P closed universe form when the average. This is the diagram. Answer the following questions. Which curve shows the average density curve Q shows in which condition will universe expand continuously. R. When the average density of the universe is less than critical density, in which condition will P crunch occur. In the condition of P, average density universe is more than the critical density. Okay, this much for today. For this, thank you very much for watching. I'll come up with some important science matter next time. Till then, thank you. Bye.